Welcome back. This is Saxon Math for 6th grade. We're doing lesson 93. We're going to do the other part of this lesson. We just talked about how to do two-step equations. That's equations where you need to add and subtract, and then multiply or divide to help solve. We're going to look at how you can do that with an inequality now. Inequalities look exactly like equations, except instead of an equal sign, they have a greater than or less than, or in this case, a greater than equal or equal to sign. You solve these exactly the same way. Let's look at how this works. As you just learned, in order to solve one of these inequalities, to get x by itself, we're going to start by adding or subtracting to help move this term to the other side, and then we'll multiply or divide to move this term over. It's minus 5. I know that the opposite, or the inverse operation, would be addition. So I'm going to take what I already have, 2x minus 5. I'm going to add 5. That way these 5's will cancel out, and I'll be left with just 2x. Let's add 5 to the other side. Well, that's easy enough. 1 plus 5 is 6. Keep your same symbol. The symbol's not going to change. Minus 5 plus 5. That cancels out. I'm left with just my 2x. So 2x now is greater than or equal to 6. But I still don't have x by itself. Let's use the second skill we learned. That was that I can divide by the number it's multiplied times on both sides, which will help cancel it out. So I'm left just with x. Keep the same symbol. 6 divided by 2 is 3. If I was to put this on a graph, which some of your problems will ask you to do, remember to put your arrows on the ends. Put 0 in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. X is greater than 3, or equal to 3. So I need a closed dot on 3, because it can be equal to 3. And then it's greater than 3. There's two ways to think about this. Either the Pac-Man is eating the larger number, nom 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 nom, so the x can be bigger than 3. Or, if the x, and only if the x, is on this side, you can think about the arrow moving in the direction that it points. So if you think about this as sort of an arrow, oh, wait a minute for the bell. If you were to think of this as an arrow, we would be starting at 3 and moving that direction. So we'll color in on the line, not above it, not below it, the numbers greater than 3 and the arrow as well. Use this skill when you're working with your inequalities. They work exactly the same way as your equations.